In the past, we spoke about two projectors. One video we did was for Epson TW7100 and the second video that we did recently was for BenQ TK700. And for both these videos, in the comments, we could see one of the most common requests from all of you, that was comparing these two products so that you can make a better decision. And for that reason, in this particular video, we are going to compare BenQ TK700 versus Epson 7100 and see whether this comparison is really valid, and if yes, which projector should you buy and when should you buy this projector. Now before I begin, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, and since last 9 years, me and my team have been designing and installing home theatre experiences for more than thousands of customers across India. And while doing this, we realized that one of the common pain points that most home theatre buyers have is that they know they want to buy home theatre, but they don't know the exact roadmap to buy the home theatre. And at the same time, they have been taken for a ride by so many sellers that they get confused as to what exactly is the right and an ideal solution for their home theatre room. And for that very reason, we started this particular channel, which is targeted towards the Indian home theatre buyers to make them aware and educated so that they are well prepared to buy these home theatre systems in the market. And this channel is just our mission to serve most of the home theatre buyers with appropriate knowledge so that you can make well-informed, wise and correct decisions when it comes to buying anything to everything in the home cinema industry. Now, in case you have more queries as to what sort of sound system you want to connect these projectors to, or you have more queries about your home cinema experience, then hold on to your thoughts, because towards the end of the video, I am going to share with you how you can design your home theatre room using a very nice step-by-step format, wherein you will get the clarity as well as the design team will also get a clarity on your dream experience. Epson 7100 and BenQ TK700, both these projectors run on different technologies. For instance, as we saw in the Epson's video, the Epson 7100 or most of the Epson projectors, they work on their patented technology, which is the 3LCD technology. The BenQ projector, whereas, works on a DLP technology. Now both these technologies are different, and that is why comparing these two products on these technology parameters would be an ideal comparison to justify this particular video. With regards to the specs on the paper, both the projectors are 3000 lumens. Both the projectors have got 4K as a feature or a resolution support, and both these projectors are good for home cinema as well as gaming applications. But when we come back to the harsh reality of it, we need to understand the very first thing is that in which room are we planning to use this projector? Is it a living room, is it the bedroom, or is it a media room or a dedicated cinema room? Because these projectors are going to perform differently in these different environments, because the ambient light or your false ceiling light or your outside light is going to play a significant role in getting the desired picture quality from this particular projectors. And as we all know, we have spoken about this in the past as well, that BenQ projectors, typically being DLP, they work fantastic in terms of giving the color output. But to get this color output, one of the standard requirements is that it has to be a darker room, which means that if the room is not dark, the color output on the screen is going to look a little faded when the light falls on these particular projections. At the same time, Epson 7100, or not just Epson 7100, but more or less the entire LCD projector segment works better even in the lighter ambient rooms, because they have got higher brightness. So on one side you have got a high brightness projector, on the other side you have got a high color output projector. Now when you see both the projectors having 3000 lumens, anybody would assume that okay, if it's 3000 lumens, then the light that is coming out from Epson as well as from BenQ would be same, and how difference, what sort of difference would it make on the screen? Well, this technology difference is going to be the real difference when you see and compare both these images on the screen, and for that reason we are going to pull out both the images from these projectors for your comparison, and you can have the checks done right here during this particular video. Now coming back to the contrast ratio part of it, Epson 7100 has got 1:1 contrast ratio, whereas the BenQ TK700 has got a mere 10,000:1 as a contrast ratio. And for that very reason, if you see the BenQ TK700 projection, the projection output is very, very grey for black scenes, whereas in the TK700, the blacks are very much closer to blacks and not definitely as grey as what it stands out in a BenQ projector. So when we compare these projectors for home theater application, when you need that kind of contrast, Epson wins hands down when we compare both these projectors side by side for a home theater application. When it comes to gaming, obviously because of the SPG, FPS and all these gaming modes, the BenQ TK700 scores at a very high level over here, and being one of the world's first low latency 4K at 16 Hz with only 16 milliseconds latency, this is one of the fastest projector can be used for gaming applications. Now, having said that, one of the questions that I asked to the Epson team also in the recent meet was, why is it that Epson never advertises their projector as a gaming projector even though their projectors are compatible to have that? And the answer was that we believe that the gaming projector market is small and that's the reason they don't put it on the paper. But yes, you may see this coming down in the future. But as of now, the Epson 7100 has also got a fantastic low latency for 4K as well as Full HD signals and can be considered as a gaming projector. Though it's marketed more as a living room or a home cinema projector compared to BenQ, which is marketed more as a gaming projector. So these things would determine, again, the application would determine what sort of projector you need to buy. So in case you want a gaming projector in a dedicated or a dark room environment, go for BenQ because that is where you can have the best output. But if it's a home cinema application more and less of game application, then you can still consider the Epson 7100 in either of the environments, be it a dark room or even a living room or a bedroom scenario. Now, one of the benefits that anybody need is the mounting feature. Okay, when we hang the projector from the ceiling, you need a comfortable range to mount the projector for the same desired screen size, which means that the throw ratio of the projector is very, very important factor considering you're putting up the projector in the living room and the bedroom scenario wherein you may have a fan or a chandelier in the middle. And in such applications, a longer throw projector would always work better so that it does not come into your line of sight. It stays right above your head or probably behind it, and you can still see a good picture on the screen. Now, this longer throw ratio is possible in the Epson projector, which is TW7100, which may not be a feature available in the TK700. So in case your room does not support that long throw and you're looking for a small distance projector, then a BenQ can be a good win. But for those of you who feel that the projector needs to be at 16-17 feet for a 100-120 inches screen, consider Epson as the model to go for, so that you don't have anything hanging in the middle of your false ceiling. Now, the last and the most important part is when we compare these two products, these are not really an apple to apple comparison. So the comparison is not really valid. The main objective or the application needs to be clear. And the second thing that you need to have a good clarity on is what room are you going to install this projector. So in case you have got both these things figured out, I am sure that you would have your decision made as to which projector you want to buy. So as I said at the start of the video, in case you want to know how to design your dream home cinema experience, and apart from the projector, you want to figure out what sort of speakers you want to buy, what sort of AVR you need to buy for your room, then make sure to use the link in the description, which is as well as pinned in the comment. So that link will help you design a good home cinema experience for your room, which is living room, bedroom or a theater room. And me along with my team will do whatever best we can to help you and guide you in designing and completing this home theater experience. So I hope that this video helped you in making your decision with regards to the BenQ TK700 versus the Epson 7100. And in case you found an answer, make sure to drop your queries or your feedback in the comments below. And as always, I Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.